A male peacock jumping spider from Australia. On a quest for a mate. And when you're the size of a grain of rice, almost anything here could be dangerous. He's searching for any sign that a female spider came this way. And he's found something. Spider silk with the scent of a female. He just needs to follow it. Other males have gone on the same quest and have come to a grisly end. Here's the female, and she doesn't look very amorous. In fact, she kills every male who doesn't match up to her expectations. What can he do to win her over? Dance. Dance for his life. He will need a show-stopping trick to avoid becoming lunch. With his fan unfurled, he begins an ever more complicated series of dance moves to try and seduce her. At last, she succumbs to his advances and allows him to mate with her. He matched her expectations. But she kills him anyway. After all, his body will make the perfect meal with which to nourish their eggs.